Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is really exciting because I have never on this channel done an unboxing haul. Last night my fiance surprised me and took me to the mall and took me to St. Laurent and bought me a couple things, which I am so grateful for because I don't own any St. Laurent anything, and it's something I've always wanted. I wanted like a very classy, elegant type of bag that I could wear with everything and that I could wear with any outfit. So it's something that I've wanted for a long time, and it's something that I got last night. So I didn't open my bags yet, and I've been tempted to open it and finally get to wear my bag. But I wanted you guys to see everything, how it comes, how it's packaged, and all that kind of stuff. So this is gonna be my first time opening up my stuff from St. Laurent, and I'm so excited, and let's get into it. So this is the bag. It's a very big bag. It's black. It says St. Laurent. It's beautiful. So in the bag I have, this is the purse I got. The box looks like this. It has a bow on it, like a ribbon. It says St. Laurent in the middle. It's like a very cool, different type of material on the box. So I'm gonna take the bow off and see my bag. Oh my god, guys, you have no idea like how happy I am. Just so happy. I love this bag and it is so beautiful, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. So I'm opening the box first time. It's kind of hard to do it, so I'm just gonna put it down and open it. I got the top off so it looks like this. It's black wrapping paper and it says St. Laurent right here. So we're just gonna open. It's like a sticker holding the wrapping paper. Open it up. Take the wrapping paper out. And then there's my bag. So I'm gonna put this down and then take it out. So this is what the bag is in. It's in a dust bag. It's black. It has a little string you could pull to tighten it up. It's a St. Laurent right here. I love designer because I love the fact that it comes with a dust bag, so you can protect your bag when you're not wearing it. Always put it in the dust bag when you're not wearing it, just so you can keep it, I guess, safe and clean with no dust on it. The inside is like, it is like cotton. And usually like my Gucci dust bags, they're just like silk. They don't really have an inside material. It would just be like what's like this. So this is like double coated. And I'm about to take my bag out. This is so exciting, guys. So this is my bag. Oh my god. Look at this. How beautiful. So this is the medium Kate bag. It has the YSL print right here. and then you open it up and it says Saint Laurent Paris right inside. It has the chain. The chain is very, very luxurious. You can feel just, it's very heavy. So on the chain, I still have the sticker. Obviously, this is the first time I'm even touching this bag, but right there it says Saint Laurent. I obviously would take the sticker off, and this is what it looks like. I have, I guess, just that space and a little, is that a pocket? Yeah, just a little pocket. It's very tight. I don't know what I would put in there. But in that pocket, I have, I guess, the authenticity card to prove that it is real Saint Laurent. And I just want to see kind of what would fit in this bag. So I got my phone right here. That fits. I got my sunglasses. I got my little mirror. I got my lip gloss. And I got my key. So this is how everything fits. I actually still have enough room to put more stuff, which I'm very happy about, because I always like end up stuffing my bag with a bunch of crap I don't even need to carry around with me, but I do. So that's why I'm happy that it's not very small, because when I was at Saint Laurent and I was looking at bags, a lot of bags were so little where your phone wouldn't even fit, and if it did, only your phone would fit. So I'm happy that I went with this bag. So I just want to show you guys how you can wear this bag. So you can wear it like this on your shoulder. Or you could also wear it like this as a crossbody bag. And also, the really cool thing about this bag is you could also wear it as a clutch so what you do is you go like this, kind of put it in half, fold it, open it up, leave it in there like that, close the bag. And then you could wear it like as a little clutch like this. So I love this bag. It's so beautiful and classy. I could wear this with literally any outfit. It's a leather material. It's so beautiful, and it's honestly the classiest piece I've ever owned, and I'm beyond grateful and happy that I own this now, and I cannot wait to wear it. It is so, so pretty, and I just can't stop talking about how pretty it is because I am in love with this bag. So I want to be real with you guys, since I am doing like an unboxing haul on Saint Laurent. I want to let you guys know how much this bag was, because I always want to know when I look at like unboxing videos or hauls, I want to know how much the items are, because if I would want to purchase them, I would need to know like how long or how much I would need to save. So also it comes with this little card, and I guess everything I bought is in here. So this is the sticker of the bag that I bought. So this is the YSL bag monogram. It is $19.90, so $1,990. I know that it is very pricey, but I usually like don't really ask for anything, and I feel like that's why my fiance wanted to gift me with this, just because I am very cautious on how much money I spend, and I never really ask for anything. So I guess that's why. He's amazing, and I couldn't be any more grateful. It also came with, oh, that's my other one. And then it also came with the receipt in this card holder. So yes, this is the beautiful bag. Next item that I purchased from Saint Laurent comes in this cute little box with the bow. I'm gonna take the bow off. And again, it's wrapped the same way that the purse was wrapped. It has the Saint Laurent Paris sticker. Oh, this is so cute. And then it has this cute little dust bag. And again, it has this string where you could pull it closed or pull it opened. And are you guys ready for this? Look how beautiful. I also got the card holder so it would match my bag and it would fit right in there. And it's just so beautiful. It has the YSL right here. It's leather. It's just so elegant and beautiful. It has 1, 2, 4 card holder slots and then a middle slot for, I guess, like cash or something. So the card holder came with this little guy, and it says Saint Laurent Paris, and it was $250. I'm obsessed, guys. So yes, this is everything I got from Saint Laurent. I am so blessed and I'm so happy, and I just cannot wait to wear this, but I did want to wait just so I could get me opening it on video, because this is definitely an amazing moment. So that is it for my unboxing haul of Saint Laurent. I am so happy and beyond excited to wear this. I cannot wait to wear it, honestly. Like, I was dying to not be able to wear it today, but I did want to get this video of me unboxing it, and I wanted it to be 100% honest and real. So that's what I did. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys loved what I got. I also want to say thank you to my fiance Kyle. I really appreciate this, and you're the best. If you guys like my video, give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment of any other videos you guys want me to film. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video.